Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with Jacob behind the camera, and we're working on my three-wheeler. I got these Athena gasket kits that I bought on eBay. It's probably like the only one I could find that actually was designed to fit. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to replace the head gasket and I think it's a valve cover gasket. Because as you can see, it's leaking oil through the head gasket and the gasket down here. So we gotta take off a whole bunch of stuff.
We already took off some things. We actually popped 2 head bolts off and then took the gas tank off. And
so far, everything's going okay. Hopefully, this can be like a 1 day, maybe a 2 day project, because I really do want to ride this before I have to winterize it. So we just replaced the seat, and let's see what we can get done. Okay, Jacob, what are we doing?
right now we have taken off I guess you could call this is the first part that came off, the valve cover gasket, I guess you could say. This is the rocker, so I guess this is more real, the valve cover gasket. This is the rocker assembly. You guys can see.
Everything looks nice and clean and
looks, I mean, to us, I mean, obviously we're not mechanics, this is the first time we've ever done this, but cam.
So I think for the timing, we just have the two marks.
Doesn't really look like it has excessive wear, so it looks pretty good, and we have to take the timing chain off. And,
should be like we just kind of undo the tensioner down here, and then kind of like loosen it up enough to slip it over this
cam gear,
and we'll like, kind of hang it up, and then we'll have to take this off, and then
we can take the whole head off. But right now we're taking this intake off so that we can take it off, and we're gonna have to. So that's gonna be kind of a pain in the butt, and we will check in once we have probably the intake off and maybe the cam chain off, and we take off this, the valve, this whole cam shaft assembly, and this is the head. So, see you in a bit. Okay, so we're back. The head is off, as you guys can see. We got the timing chain all tied up with some reed whacker line, and the piston has a little bit of carbon buildup, nothing crazy, but these are all the parts laid out after taking apart the rocker head. I don't know, I guess that's the valve cover gasket. This is, I guess, another valve cover gasket. This is the whole valve train. This is the whole head here, and pretty bad discovery. I have my doubts about this thing working again. Guys, look, this is the camshaft retainer. This is the bearing journal, like top of the journal. This is the top journal. And obviously, it is in 2 pieces now, and you guys can see.
And we're supposed to have 2 of them. We're supposed to have 2 of them.
Also, Cameron decided to do this job also without a torque wrench, so da-da.
It's gonna be tight.
We'll put the head gasket back on though. This is the old one. This is our new one. We'll put that on, and then we will see if, I guess, reassemble everything and see if it works.
Alright guys, we have the top end all back together. The new head gasket didn't really fix the problem, along with the broken cam journal didn't really help. So thank you guys for watching. Maybe we'll get it fixed in another video. Please like and subscribe. Alright, we'll see you guys later.